Welcome again! In this lecture you'll learn how to generate HTML pages using your Python web app. In the previous lecture we simply returned some plain strings, as you see here. So return a string. Now we will return an HTML template in here. And to do that we need to use the render template method of the Flask library. And what render template does is accesses an HTML file stored somewhere in our Python application, in our Python files, and then displays that HTML on the requested URL. So we need to replace this with the name of an HTML page, let's say home.html. And this name here, this file name, has to reflect a real HTML file, which has to be stored in a folder which itself has to be named templates. So be sure you use these names when you create a folder. Inside the folder then you need to create an HTML file, home.html, and the name has to reflect the name you are returning here in the render template method. That's it. And here is where you write the HTML code now. If you know HTML already, this should be as easy as breathing. If you don't know, then it should be easy to learn. If you know a bit of Python now, which you should, learning HTML is just a breeze. So just go ahead there and learn some HTML. It's that easy. But anyway, I'll create an HTML file here. Everything starts with a declaration of the document type, HTML. Then you have the HTML tags. That was the opening tag, and you also have a closing tag. That's it. You have body tags. Just like that. And inside here goes the content of your web page. So let's say I want a heading like this. And inside here you can put some text. My home page, for example. And yet another different type of tag, which is a paragraph tag. And say this is a test website. Click save. And yep, you should be good to go. Go to your script, make sure you have saved it. And the web app is restarting, and I'll go now and visit my home page. This is the about page. This should be the home page. Yeah. I seem to have a little typo in here, I guess. Yeah, this should be h1 as the opening tag. Click save, and you don't have to rerun the Python script. Just go here, reload the page. And this is a normal text now. So this is a paragraph, and this is heading. Great. So we can also have another page for the about page. If you want, just quickly duplicate this, say about my about page here. This is a test website. Again, just like that, you go to your script one and change this to render template, and there you pass about.html. Click save, go to the localhost. This should be the home page. You have the about page. Yeah, my about page. This is test website again. So that's it. That's how you pass HTML templates to your Python web app. And that's how you map them to your URLs. Let's move on then to the next lecture.